This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make biscuits with all-purpose flour. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need all-purpose flour, cold butter or shortening, baking powder, baking soda, and buttermilk. Using cold fat is crucial for achieving those wonderful flaky layers. These simple components are the secret to a truly delicious homemade biscuit, so make sure everything is ready before you begin. Now, let's mix the dough. Start by cutting your cold butter or shortening into the dry ingredients until the mixture resembles coarse crumbs, with some pieces about the size of peas. Then, slowly pour in the buttermilk, mixing gently with a fork or your hands until the dough just comes together. Remember, less is more here. Overworking the dough will make your biscuits tough, so mix minimally. Next, it's time to shape your biscuits. Turn the dough out onto a lightly floured surface and gently pat or roll it to about 1/2 inch thick. Use a biscuit cutter, pressing straight down without twisting, which helps the biscuits rise evenly. For soft-sided biscuits, place them close together on your baking sheet. If you prefer crispy edges, give them a little more space. Finally, let's bake and enjoy your creations. Preheat your oven to a hot 425 degrees Fahrenheit. Bake the biscuits for about 12 to 15 minutes, or until they are beautifully golden brown on top and bottom. Once out of the oven, brush them with a little melted butter for extra flavor and shine. Serve them warm with jam, honey, or savory gravy for a truly comforting treat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.